Let's say you created a beautifully laid out dashboard that you hope others can see it, or your dashboard show a lot of valuable insights that might benefit others, or none of the above. Only the fact that you're a person who loves to share. That's fine. You can share a dashboard from your homepage by clicking Share in the menu of the top right of the dashboard title. Type the name of the group or users you want to share with, and select the access level you'd like to grant the user, and submit. To create a group for sharing, go to the Groups section from the homepage. Click the plus sign in the corner to create a new group. Name your group and add members. And don't forget to grant the access level for each group member. And then click Save. Now you have your new group.